I have applied tape for this makeup. Next I'm applying some light concealer for an eyeshadow base. You can even use a primer. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel. I'm blending the concealer with a wet beauty blender. Next I'm applying some loose powder over the concealer. For this eye makeup, I'm using this minimalist palette by Profusion Cosmetics. I'm using this first shade as a transition shade. I'm blending the shade with a fluffy brush. Next I'm going to draw a line with a gel liner. I'm creating a fake crease with it. I'm going to draw this line only till the middle of my eye. Next I'm smudging this line with a Q-tip. I'm going to apply the liner only on the outer corner. For this eye makeup, I want a lifted look. If you are a beginner at eye makeup, then tape will make your life easier. I'm going to smudge this liner with a Q-tip. Next I'm going to take this dark brown shade. I'm blending this shade over the liner that I drew. I'm going to blend the shade on the outer corner as well. Whatever product is remaining on the brush, I'm going to blend it outward. Next I'm going to take this light brown shade. I'm going to blend this shade over the dark brown shade. Next I'm going to cut half crease. If you did not make any mistake with the liner, you can skip this step and directly go in with the next shade. Next I'm going to apply this shade with a flat brush. Next I'm going to take this black eyeshadow and smudge it on the outer corner. I'm going in with the brown shade again and blending it on the black shade that I used. Next I'm going in with this pressed glitter. I'm applying it on the outer part of my eye. Next I'm going in with this light shade and applying it as a highlighter on my brow bone. I've done my base off camera and now I'm tightlining my upper waterline. Next I'm applying kohl on my lower waterline. I'm not going to smudge the kohl. I'm going to keep it confined to my waterline. Next I'm applying some mascara. For lipstick I have applied lip liner and now I am applying some liquid lipstick. All the products are listed in the description box below. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.